All right, we're back with another Solana daily update. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for sticking around, on the day-to-day basis. And your support, literally, you guys need to realize that your support keeps me going. The tremendous amount of support that you guys show is the reason as to why I come here on a day-to-day basis to give you guys these updates. So continue supporting and you will continue to see these updates for you guys. So if we're looking at the markets today, if you did watch my Pepe or Bonk update, you kind of know exactly what is going on with the markets. But if not, that's totally fine. We're going to discuss that in this update. So we're seeing some coins turning into red right now, while some coins are absolutely just exploding. And you can literally see that if you're looking at the screen right now on Crypto Bubbles. But anyhow, if you're looking at Solana right now, Solana is lagging behind, but totally fine. We need to take a look at the bigger picture as I try reminding you guys on a day-to-day basis. If we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, up 26.8%, and on the monthly time frame, Sol is up 23.3%. So let's not forget that. But we'll discuss what's going on. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Solana going into Wednesday morning, we're sitting at $181.87. So as far as the price is concerned, not much has happened with the price, but there are some massive news that we need to cover. So tune in for that. So looking at the market cap for Sol right now, about $81.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at about $3.7 billion. So of course, these are some crazy numbers and we love seeing those. But yeah, let's continue to take a look at what is happening. Before we do that, of course, we're going to go over the poll that I did yesterday. So I asked you guys, the community members, as to what you guys think where Bitcoin closes at the end of the month, and what kind of sentiment. So the reason as to why we do these polls is to kind of get a grasp of the sentiment that the overall community has. And you can see this for yourself. I ask you, just like that Bitcoin back above $71,000, will we see a new all-time high for Bitcoin before the end of the month? 1,000 votes have come in, about 80%. So 800 voters are saying that yes, there is going to be an all-time high before this month comes to an end. And let's be honest, guys, we still have quite a bit of time left until this specific month comes to an end. And about 22% are saying no, that is not going to happen. But of course, time is the most important thing. We're going to see what happens. But yeah, let's see. Bitcoin is holding really good right now. And honestly, I am not writing it off that, we don't see that happening. I think there is a possibility for that to happen. But anyhow, looking at the Solana total DeFi, about $4.85 billion. We are approaching the yearly high, which was around $4.9 billion, if I am not mistaken. But you can pretty much tell by the chart itself, we are very, very close. So a lot of things happening with Sol. But speaking about a lot of things happening with Solana today, breaking news, guys. This right here is what it's all about. So let me go down here. There you go. So Jupiter Exchange kicks off giant unified market initiative. So whether it's a meme coin, RWAS, stocks, or Forex, we want to bring all these assets to Solana and index them on Jupiter Exchange, allowing users to transact across all these markets automatically. Let that sink in. That is huge. Jupiter Exchange, the people that are behind this, they're not playing around. They're trying to make not just the exchange itself, get to mass adoption in the crypto space, but they're bringing a lot of exposure to Solana as well. And of course, you can see the major developer has come out and said, it's insane that we're just getting started. All of us, we're just getting started. And this is coming out from, the lead developer behind Jupiter Exchange. So crazy stuff. And you guys know my stance on Jupe. And honestly, I'm ticking days. I'm going to be quite honest with you. I'm ticking days to find out when the next allocation is. I have my fingers crossed that I win big on this one, because your boy has been very busy farming on Jupe. I only use Jupiter, and when I'm swapping, or when I'm buying meme coins, or when I'm just buying NFTs, whatever the case may be. I only use Jupiter. That's literally, it's my favorite, and I cannot wait. I literally just cannot wait, and I'm sure you guys can tell that buy now. So continuing to see this is very exciting as well. So you can see Trump campaign is now accepting donations in crypto, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And as we know, there's an election going on, and Donald Trump is running once again for the election for the 2024, and he's accepting crypto. And this is making massive headlines across the globe, financial sectors, everything pretty much. And let's face it, guys, we've been hearing, oh, crypto is this, crypto is that. Whenever a new tech comes into play, there's always these negative talks revolving around it. But the same institutions that were speaking, or massive hedge funds that were speaking really negative about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other coins in general, a few years back, especially if you're an OG, you know about this. Those same exact hedge funds and financial firms are actually obtaining Bitcoin at some record highs because they now see the value. So obviously, if Trump were to get elected, I don't really like talking about politics and this and that, but if Trump were to be elected, I think this could be huge for the crypto space because, he is in support for crypto. So that is obviously a huge plus point for us crypto bros and, sisters. Anyhow, let's continue to take a look at what's happening. So if you're looking at BTC dominance right now, dominance index is falling down. And this right here is a very interesting thing that I discussed with, my Pepe followers. And of course, I know a lot of my viewers just don't watch one video, they watch a lot of them, so I appreciate you guys. So index falling down, down to 54%. This is a sharp drop, especially when Bitcoin saw a little bit of a minor pullback. Usually when we see these types of moves, we tend to see dominance kind of going up or remaining where it is. But what we saw happen was dominance going down, which means money is flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins. So we have been hearing this term, altcoin season, this and that, highly anticipated altcoin season. Could this be the actual time where we see this altcoin season really taking a play? We'll see. But definitely, as far as the meme coin market goes, it is popping off, and it's actually holding better than some of these actual altcoins or the RWAS, whatever you want to call it. It's holding really good as far as the meme coin category goes. So this is giving me an indication that in the upcoming weeks ahead of us, we will see altcoins rallying, not meme coins. Of course, meme coins might go up as well with it. They're already absolutely exploding right now, but I think that, we're going to see, altcoins that haven't really moved starting to pop off, and altcoin season could start taking effect. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with Solana. So as far as Sol is concerned, not much has changed, and I kind of discussed with that with you guys earlier in the update. So not much has changed. We're still hovering around this range. Obviously, we did make our way up to the $188.95. Totally fine, guys. We're in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, and I really want you guys to understand how good that is. We're very close towards our new yearly high. I'm sure you guys know this by now. And the price of Solana is literally exactly where it was yesterday. So not much has changed, and that is nice to see. Of course, we're lagging right now, but we're being very positively correlated with Bitcoin right now. Of course, the entire market is positively correlated, but as of now, we're seeing meme coins and some of the coins that are kind of not being impacted by Bitcoin move as of now too much because of the dominance. So that's how I'm currently taking a look at Sol. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.